Hey growers, welcome back to Grower Today. Today, we're talking about how to grow sprouts at home. Imagine having a constant supply of fresh, nutrient-packed greens right in your kitchen, no matter the season. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how you can achieve this effortlessly. Sprouts are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, offering a crunchy, fresh addition to your diet. But why should you grow them at home? Not only are sprouts nutrient-dense, but they are also incredibly cost-effective. A small amount of seed can yield a large quantity of fresh sprouts. In just 4 to 7 days, you can harvest fresh sprouts, making them one of the fastest-growing crops you can cultivate indoors. The first step in your sprouting journey is choosing the right seeds. Not all seeds are suitable for sprouting, so look for those specifically labeled for this purpose. Popular choices include alfalfa for its mild flavor, mung beans for their nutty taste, and broccoli for its high antioxidant content. You can easily purchase sprouting seeds online or from health food stores. Ensure they are labeled organic and non-GMO for the best results. Next, gather your equipment. A mason jar with a mesh lid or a sprouting tray will make the process easier and more hygienic. You'll also need cheesecloth or a mesh screen, fresh water for rinsing, a bowl to catch draining water, and a dark space to start the growth. Soaking the seeds is the first crucial step. Measure 1 to 2 tablespoons of seeds, rinse them thoroughly, and soak them in water for 8 to 12 hours. Soaking softens the seed coat and starts the germination process, activating the rich enzymes and nutrients inside. After soaking, it's time to rinse and drain the seeds. This must be done twice a day to keep them moist but not waterlogged. Rinsing is essential to keep the sprouts clean and free from mold or bacteria, providing the moisture they need to grow. After a few days of rinsing and draining, you'll notice tiny sprouts beginning to emerge. This is when the magic happens. By day 3 to 4, the sprouts will grow larger and take shape. You can expose them to indirect light to help them turn green. By day 5 to 7, most sprouts will be ready for harvest. They should be around 1 to 2 inches long and have developed small leaves. To harvest, remove the sprouts from the jar, give them a final rinse, and dry them thoroughly using a paper towel or salad spinner. Store your sprouts in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Fresh sprouts should last about a week if they are completely dry. If you encounter mold, slow growth, or bitter sprouts, simple adjustments like better rinsing, warmer spots, or limited light exposure can solve these issues. Once harvested, the possibilities are endless. Add your fresh sprouts to salads, sandwiches, stir-fries, smoothies, or soups. Growing sprouts at home is a fun, inexpensive, and rewarding way to add nutrient-dense foods to your diet. Start today and enjoy fresh greens all year round.